As you probably know, Italians take coffee very seriously. Very seriously. But for a foreign person can be difficult to navigate among 30 or more kinds of coffee. Ciao, I'm Daniela and this is my channel Italian with Lela, and today we are going to see the more common types of coffee that you can find in a cafe in Italy. Iniziamo! Espresso. This is the typical Italian coffee. You can drink it in 2 or 3 sips and it can be a bit strong for someone. Ristretto. Like the espresso but with less water inside. You drink it in 1 or 2 sips and it's stronger than espresso. Lungo. The espresso with more water. It's less strong than espresso, perfect if you don't love the strong flavor of coffee. Doppio. Double quantity of coffee and water. Cappuccino. It's coffee with milk. The milk can be a vegetable drink if you ask for it. The flavor is quite strong but obviously less strong than espresso. And the most important thing, there is foam above. Caffè macchiato. A coffee with a very small quantity of milk. Caffè latte or caffè latte. It's the opposite of caffè macchiato. A large quantity of milk with a small quantity of coffee. The flavor is obviously less strong than cappuccino. Mochaccino. Coffee with chocolate and whipped cream. Ginseng. It's an espresso with ginseng root extract. The flavor reminds to hazelnut in my opinion. After a heavy meal, you can ask for a caffè corretto. It's an espresso with the addition of a small quantity of liqueur. In summer, you can ask for a caffè con ghiaccio. Ghiaccio means ice, so a coffee with some ice cubes inside. Or even a crema di caffè or caffè crema. So good. Coffee, sugar and cream. It's like eating a coffee ice cream. We also have the caffè decaffeinato without caffeine. Perfect for the evening. Caffè in vetro. Vetro means glass, so the coffee is served in a little glass instead of a cup. In English, glass means both this and this. In Italian instead we have 2 different words, vetro and bicchiere. Il bicchiere è di vetro. Caffè americano. It's similar to caffè lungo, but there is much more water. It's not the Italian's favorite. Caffè napoletano. You can find it in Napoli, Naples, and probably in the cities near Napoli. It's very similar to espresso. It's a strong, dense coffee prepared with a different blend. And we can finish our list with the caffè d'orzo. It's a hot drink obtained from the infusion of barley. Perfect if you can drink caffeine, but it's something very different. Okay, my idea was to record a 1-2 minutes video, but then I realized that we have too many kinds of coffee. And I couldn't reduce my list to espresso, lungo and macchiato. I wanted to give you a complete picture. In the last year, many other kinds of coffee have been invented. Coffee with Nutella, with ice cream and chopped hazelnuts and pistachio, but these are way more similar to desserts than coffees. If you want to drink an Italian coffee, those that I've listed are the original ones. If you're interested, I'm not a fan of very strong flavors, so my favorite coffees are macchiato, ginseng that I've discovered just recently and I'm already addicted, lungo, not Americano, because in my opinion there is too much water, and in summertime il caffè crema or crema di caffè, it's delicious. Okay, I hope that my video has been useful. I know, I understand that it can be quite impressive reading all these kinds of coffee when you enter a cafe, but I hope that now with my list and my short descriptions you could be able to choose your coffee with more confidence when you come to Italy. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, follow my channel, follow me also on Instagram, you can find the link in the box below. Grazie ancora and see you soon to the next video. Un bacione, alla prossima, ciao!